have to climb this small hilltop and that one too, and Gullu is leading me today. Let's go, Gullu. Gullu. He's sniffing something. Something is fishy. Gullu. Ow. Gullu. Gullu. What are you looking at? This beautiful place is so peaceful, tranquil, but unfortunately, people have thrown their garbage. They have left their garbage here. This is the amount of garbage which I have picked from this place today. As you can see, this is utter shame on our behalf that we leave the garbage, we leave the packets, we leave the plastics in such beautiful places. Please take some responsibility. You should be responsible, guys, and please do not scatter any kind of garbage in the mountains.